Hello everyone, I am Abhinam Manuel, and in this video I am going to talk about two services provided by Amazon AWS, Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Poly. So coming into the first service, Amazon Transcribe, what Amazon Transcribe does is that it uses machine learning technology to recognize speech in the audio files and transcribe them into text. So basically it means that it converts audio file into text. We can use this service in different applications according to our need. For example, consider a video recording. It will have an audio track. We can pass this audio track into Amazon Transcribe and provide closed captioning or subtitles to that video. So to use Amazon Transcribe, we have to store the audio file in the Amazon S3 bucket, and the output after the job will also be stored in the same S3 bucket. So what are the features of Amazon Transcribe? Amazon Transcribe can recognize voice, like if it can recognize who is speaking what, and it can transcribe that based on that speaker. And it is also able to transcribe separate audio channels and also able to transcribe streaming audio which is coming real time, and it is also able to use custom vocabulary to provide better transcriptions. Like for example, in the case of banking situation, there might be specific terms related to that domain will be used in the conversation. So if we feed that specific terms into the vocabulary, Amazon Transcribe will be correctly transcribing those words as we want. So what are the benefits of Amazon Transcribe? It's able to transcribe the numbers like 1242 into 1242, and we can also see alternative transcription. Amazon Transcribe gives you the best transcription with the highest confidence value. But if we want to know what were the different interpretation, we can also see that. And as I have told earlier, it is also able to transcribe streaming audio, and it is also automatically will redact sensitive content. Like for example, in the case of I will take that banking situation itself. Like if there is a conversation between customer and executive, there might be uh, there might be sensitive information like a bank account number, debit card number, CVV. So those details should not be stored in anywhere. So those details will be removed and replaced with a PII tag in the transcript. So what are the some of the customers of Transcribe? One of the customer of Transcribe is Cerner Corporation. Cerner Corporation Health Information Technology Service. So they want to document the clinical details of the customer with extreme accuracy. So what it does is that their they will store the digital voice of the conversation between doctor and the patient, and then transcribe it into, and all the prescription will be stored in their electronic health record system. So the next service provided by Amazon I'm going to talk about is Amazon Poly. So Amazon Poly is a cloud service that converts text into lifelike speech. So if Amazon Transcribe was doing audio into text, this is doing the opposite thing. It is converting from text to lifelike speech. So Amazon Poly is like supporting lot of language and variety of lifelike voice. Will come into detail about this later, and it is also pay for use only. Like you only have to pay for whatever you use, and it is also providing different voice engines like a NTTS and a standard text to speech services. We will talk about that also later. This it has lot of applications from newsreader, games, e-learning platforms, accessibility applications for visually impaired people, and it is also used in lot of IoT devices. Like you can see, like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, like that. There are like they want to convert text to speech. Coming into the features of Amazon Poly, uh, we have a lot of available voices to convert text to speech, and there is also accented by bilingual voices. For example, bilingual voices. For example, if there is a sentence which has English sentence, but there is some French in it, but the speaker doesn't know French that much. So when he or she speak the French, there will be an English accent to it. And coming into the fully bilingual voices, in the same case, both the English part and the French part will be spoken correctly because they are uh, experts in that language using fully bilingual voices. We can also control the speed of our voice. We can also choose which voice engine we need to take, standard or NTTS. In the standard, it is most natural surrounding speech possible, but there are few or different speaking types. But with NTTS, we can have different speaking style and specific speaking styles based on different variation and emphasis. Also, we can do in that. We can also use SSML documents to enhance the text to speech conversion. So I will come into the XSML documents later. So what are the benefits of Amazon Poly? It provides high quality audios and different voice engines. It is also able to do the conversation, do the conversion with very low latency, and it is also able to support lot of large portfolio of languages, voices, and gender like male or female voice options. Lot of options are there, and it is also cost effective. We only have to pay for whatever we use, and it is also a cloud-based solution. Therefore, we don't have to use any of our local resource requirements, and we can also input test. Also, there are different tuning or changing we can do by using SSML document. So we can control the various aspects of speech like such as pronunciation, volume, pitch, and speech rate. And coming to the available voices, there are a lot of available voices in lot of different languages, English, Hindi, whatever language. Most of the major languages are available in Amazon Poly. And output format, it is also able to give you like two or three or four multiple formats, whatever which is to suits your need, you can take it. And one customer of Amazon Poly is Duolingo. Duolingo, as you know, is a popular language learning platform. So what Amazon Poly does is that it converts the text to speech to our human recording for language learning. So accurate pronunciation is required for teaching humans. So Amazon Poly is able to do that. So it shows how much quality they have uh, to teach a human with the most natural style as possible. So what are the uses of Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Poly? So one example I can think of is think about uh, places where people come together from different nations or different uh, states. Like for example, take the case of India Lok Sabha. There might be people from uh, Uttar Pradesh or people from Tamil Nadu, and they might not know the same language. So there is a language barrier gap. So using these services, pro, uh, we can cover the language barrier. For example, if a person is speaking in Malayalam and a listener is a Hindi speaker, we can change that Malayalam voice to text and send the text to Amazon Translate, then translate it into another language, Hindi. And we then this translated Hindi text, we can put it into Amazon Poly and it will be speaking to the headphone of the Hindi listener so that we are able to break the language barrier. So this same process can be used in live broadcast to give subtitles also. So there are lot of different applications for both of these services, and they are similar also. So, uh, I hope you have understood or got some introduction to both of the services, Amazon Transcribe and Amazon Poly provided by Amazon AWS. Thank you for watching the video.